Ndewo na ụmụ akwụkwọ, mgbede ọma. Welcome to Ugo Igbo TV, where we learn Igbo with ease. I welcome you all once again to the channel. If you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and share our videos to help our Igbo brothers and sisters in diaspora and at home to learn our lovely Igbo language. In our previous lesson, we discussed the alphabets, where we talked about the Udume and the Mbochume. We were able to differentiate them, say that the Udume are 8 in number, and we have the Mbochume and the Mbochume. So please, if you do not know about that, go back to my previous videos and you will see it. Like and follow our channel, share with others to help YouTube recommend this to others. It helps the algorithm. Thank you. Today we are looking at the Igbo vowels, the Udume. A, E, I, E, O, O, U, O. I'll take it again. A, E, I, O, O, U, O. Today we are going to put them in the words so that you will understand what they sound like and how we pronounce them. A as in Anya, I. Say it with me. A as in Anya, I. A as in Ezi, pig. A as in Ezi, pig. E as in Isi, head. E as in Isi, head. A as in Ekwo, to drive. E as in Ekwo, to drive. O as in Otu, one. O as in Otu, one. O as in Oku, fire. O as in Oku, fire. O as in Uzo, road. O as in Uzo, road. U as in Udo, peace. U as in Udo, peace. Korono. We'll take it one more time. A as in Anya. E, Ezi, pig. E, Isi, head. E, Ekwo, to drive. O, Otu, one. O, Oku, fire. O, Uzo, road. U, Udo, peace. Ka emesianụ. Thank you. Like and share. Bye.